My name is Melody Ogedimbi and I'm working on a hospital management system to be embedded on an Android app. This app is to be deployed at hospitals to help with the issue of paper records, because currently at hospitals, paper records are still being used to document patient information, to pass across prescription to the pharmacists, and all this can be eliminated with the use of an Android app.
My name is Ijoma Ikechukwu Emmanuel. So basically I'm working on a project. The project is like a 3-in-1 project. So the first phase of the project is for me to go online to get data. So it's like the first stage is extraction of data. So those data would be used to make predictions and provide a path planning for an unmanned vehicle.
Currently, I've been able to create the user interface for the app and the database where information will be stored. And then with the data I collect from hospitals, I can use it to understand the pattern and trends in disease outbreaks and pandemics generally.
My name is Akiwani Nurat.
And I am Imiola Olamidayo. And currently, we're working on a project that seems to work like a one-in-all POS machine. So like what we have currently in most markets, especially in supermarkets, is we have a desktop system where they input in orders taken by customers and then it presents the POS machine for the customer to pay. But now we want to put all this together into a system, and that's a POS machine, put it into a POS machine. And the sweet thing about this is it makes it available for even local stores, market women. So it doesn't have to be just on supermarkets alone.
And it also makes it easy for the distributors to be able to get the stocks available to the buyers on time, to the sellers on time, so that they will be able to like have it handy and ready for them. So they will not need to like start calling anybody that, oh, we need this, we need so this. They already have like a database that where the stocks are being kept and they will have access to it.
Most of the time, most of these local stores, they tend to keep an hard copy of their records. So they get this material from a supplier or something. You know, they have to record it by hand. So and this kind of POS machine makes it easy because the record can now be on the machine and they can easily refer to it to know, oh, let's take milk for example. Okay, I have so number of milk left, I have so number of Milo left. Okay, I need to order for this at so time. And of course, it also gives just like she said, it also gives the supplier an opportunity to also preempt when a local market woman will need an item based on their sales.
It's also it generally makes the life of a market woman easier, better, by like she doesn't need to like start calling them that, or she doesn't need to start calculating that, oh, how much is this, and it will even enable her to keep track of her records and know where she's losing and where she's gaining.
I was able to build a machine or a robot that goes online, specifically Google Map, to extract data, and the data are features of latitude, longitude, elevations, time, and some other features. But some of the features are not important, but I just mentioned the most important features right now. So the robot goes to Google Map to extract these data, and this data is used to create a path planning for probably a drone or a self-driving vehicle.
My name is Dada Richard Kayode. I'm in RD cohort 6. I'm working on a camera stabilization system which is known as gimbal. I've been able to write my code and I've been able to do my 3D design. I have printed the design, but I'm having some issues, some challenges with the top part of the design. So my 3D designer is working on it presently. The camera stabilization system is meant to stabilize cameras. Photographers use it to get steady shots. It's also used by videographers also to get steady shots. in order to avoid camera shakes. This project is very, very important to me because being a professional cinematographer, I feel being able to make my own gimbal is something that is going to make me very, very happy.
So what will be the initial then?
Something we should under new patient sign up.
Sign up. If I'm not completing this thing, because I'm writing, they're checking the time, I don't understand it, I'm writing. So, is it looking?
No,
It still makes sense now.